Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making okra and garlic water to boost weight loss. Okra is the weight loss aider in this recipe. And the garlic helps boost your immune system and helps lower blood levels. First, I'll chop up all my ingredients. Chop your okra into nice round circles like this. Don't make them too thick or too thin. Always be careful when using a knife. Use the claw method like me. Now I'll add all my ingredients into this jug. Now add some water and let to sit for 10 minutes. I'll add all my ingredients and let them sit for 10 minutes. Make sure to get all those tiny seeds in there as they are beneficial as well. And I'll add my warm water and let it sit for 10 minutes. Hey guys, after 10 minutes, I'm now going to sieve it into my drinking cup. Okay guys, here we go. Drink this every day for 5 days to receive the weight loss benefits and high blood level treatment. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.